HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, just got through washing the car, getting it cleaned up. It was looking a little bit shabby. So we got that done, and now we're going to install some parts. So while I was out in Dallas, we went down to Cleburne and went to Vick Autosports to check out this video. It's pretty cool walking through their shop, seeing everything they've got. And while we were there, couldn't help but pick up a few parts. So thankful for them helping us out with these. These things are beautiful. I mean, they're really, really nice lights. So these are exciting. I happened to see these in there and said, man, I really need those. So appreciate Matt and the guys for helping us out. These are super nice lights, nice reproductions. These are about like $350, I think, a set. But pretty cool. So we've got where the spot where the circuit board snaps into. And then this is the main housing with the gasket, new bolts, all that good stuff. It's pretty cool. And I've got the other side right here, and then there's some other goodies here. So you'll see that in another video coming up after this one. So, but first we're gonna get these tail lights on. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is take these nuts loose. You got 4 nuts on here, pull those out. And then this is the circuit board piece. And as with most of these cars, they've been messed with, and people have added wires and stuff like that, and I don't know exactly what they got going on here, but everything seems to work, so we'll go with it. All right guys, the light is off, and you can see it's old school circuit board design, so I got to pull that out of this light. And it's really a terrible design, using the circuit board with 3 connectors on it like that. They get bad connections and things like that. So I've got some lights that aren't working, and that might be part of the problem, is the bad connections with the circuit board, but it could be bad connections in the bulb itself, or just bad bulbs. So there's a few to look at here and make sure that works. All right guys, so we put some silicone grease on all of these connections, the bulbs, everything, and got everything working now. It was just bad connections at the socket, just kind of jiggling around, cleaning them up, and then putting some stuff on them to keep them from doing it again. So now this will just snap right back in to the new housing and then bolt right back up. Should look pretty good. All right guys, left side is done. You can already tell how much better that looks, how much clearer the lights are and brighter they are than that. Those look old and nasty, and these look much better, much newer, and went on pretty good. So there's that. Everything bolted down. Went through a few different lights and made them work, and that's gonna be pretty nice. All right guys, there they are. Got parking lights are on, left turn signals on, and then the reverse lights are on. Just to give you an example what they look like with lights coming through them, but that cleans up the whole back side of the car. It looks really, really good like that. Look at that, nice new lights. Always look good on an old car.
AMSOIL makes it easy for you to change your own oil with the ultimate oil change. Our Shop by Vehicle tool takes the guesswork out of picking the right oil and filter for your vehicle. Then choose the best product and packaging option for you from a complete list of product recommendations. And get everything you need to complete the job shipped right to your door with fast, free delivery for the protection you demand and the performance you deserve. Shop by Vehicle at AMSOIL.com.